Hi, how's it going? We're just waiting as the engine picks its resolution. And yeah, I mean, as we can see, we now have ray tracing working with textures, and it's nice. It's not perfect, but it's good. I like it. Yeah, these surfaces are not incredibly reflective, but that's okay. I guess one question is, how do we get a whole bunch of different textures up? And the answer is more or less, we do this kind of mega texture stuff. So what I've got is I've got a bunch of these files loaded up, and each of those files has different textures for them. They have normal maps, color maps, and all of that. So if we go down here, and instead of binding the color buffer, we'll bind our mega texture. You can see essentially what we do is we load in the different files and then blit all of those textures together. So running across the X, we're going from the albedo to the emissive to the gloss map, normal map, and specular. And then running down on the Y, we've got all different textures. We've loaded this in all as a single image. And this is how we're able to create maps with a whole bunch of different textures together. So yeah, like I said, it's not perfect, but I did have a lot of fun doing this. I couldn't find a lot of info out there on compute shaders, at least not, I don't know, the way I was using them. So this is now at the stage where I'm going to start making a tutorial on how to make this. If you're impatient, I will link the final code as it is right now. It's not very well commented, but if you're curious, anyway. So yeah, quick update. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed these past few videos playing around with ray tracing. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.